Welcome, welcome back to my channel Atom Bio 360. Students, how are you? Today we will discuss about reproductive health. In this we will discuss about amniocentesis. Amniocentesis. So this is the technique or technology. So the technology name is amniocentesis. What is the meaning of amniocentesis? Amniocentesis means in this technique the fluid present around fetus is called amniotic fluid. The fluid present around the fetus is called a amniotic fluid. So the amniotic fluid contains liver cells, skin cells, and placenta cells. Liver cells, skin cells and placenta cells is present in the amniotic fluid. Okay. So next step, collect the chromosomes from these cells. These cells means that is liver cells, skin cells or placenta cells. So collect the chromosomes from these cells, liver cells, skin cells or placenta cells. Okay, collect the chromosomes from these cells, and based on chromosome structure can detect the different diseases. Okay, so diseases we can identify with the help of the chromosomes. So collect the chromosomes from the cells based on the chromosome structure, based on the chromosome morphology. Okay, we can detect the different diseases. What kind of diseases we can detect with the help of the amniotic fluid? So like genetic diseases. So what is the genetic diseases? Examples of the genetic diseases: sickle cell anemia, is the one genetic disease. Sickle cell anemia is the one genetic disease. And another genetic disease, that is hemophilia. And another genetic disease, Down syndrome. Okay, so this kind of diseases we can easily find with the help of the amniocentesis technique. So not only diseases, so this is the first point. Then another one, sex of the fetus also we can decide. Sex determination of fetus. But this is banned. Okay, so this is banned because sex determination of fetus is banned. Why sex determination of fetus is banned? Because it may chance to increases the female foeticide. Foeticide means, what is the meaning of foeticide? Killing the fetus is called foeticide. Female foeticide means killing the female fetus is called female foeticide. So sex determination may lead to the killing the female fetus. To overcome that problem, this is banned. Sex determination is banned. It is possible only, but it is banned. Okay, sex determination is banned. So, and another technique, that is first one is genetic diseases we can detect, and second one is sex of the fetus also we can detect, and another one is metabolic diseases. Metabolic diseases also we can detect. Metabolic diseases also we can detect with the help of the amniocentesis technique. So amniocentesis technique performed in which time? Okay, so amniocentesis technique we will perform in the week that is 14th to 15th week. Amniocentesis technique we will perform in the 14th to 15th week of pregnancy. Okay, so how we can collect this amniotic fluid? So the amniotic fluid, the doctor will collect this amniotic fluid with the help of the large surgical needle. So large surgical needle is required for the collection of the amniotic fluid. So this is about amniocentesis. Amniocentesis, what is amniotic fluid? The fluid is present around the embryo is called amniotic fluid. So the amniotic fluid contains liver cells, skin cells, as placenta cells. From these cells we can collect the chromosomes. So based on the chromosome structure and morphology, we can now detect the different diseases. So what kind of diseases we can detect? Genetic diseases like sickle cell anemia, hemophilia or Down syndrome we can detect. Now sex of the baby also we can detect, but this is banned. It may chance to increases the female foeticide. And metabolic disorders also we can detect. So how we can collect the amniotic fluid? With the help of the large surgical needle. So in which time we can collect the amniotic fluid? During the pregnancy 14th to 15th week we can collect the amniotic fluid from the mother, that womb. Okay, so from mother womb the amniotic fluid is present, that we can collect in the 14th to 15th week of the pregnancy. So why we need to collect in that time is, so in that time skin cells, liver cells and placenta cells, so many somatic cells, not only this cells, some other somatic cells also present in that amniotic fluid. So analysis is very easy. Chromosomal analysis is easy in the 14th to 15th week, just after 3 months. Okay, so this is about amniocentesis. Students, if you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. If you like the video, click the like button and share this videos to your friends also. So thank you very much for watching my channel. All the best. We will meet in the next video with new chapter. So mostly I think I covered all the topics in this chapter. So some topics you can cover, you can study that topics. Okay, so some topics you can study, but in NCERT any terminology is there. So I will make one video on NCERT terminology related to this chapter. So remaining things like population growth, otherwise sex diseases, that you can study. So I think much explanation is not needed in that topics. Okay, so first I will give a terminology, difficult terminology related to difficult NCERT terminology related to reproductive health chapter. So after that, if you want any additional topics, comment in the comment section. I will make videos related to that particular topics. So thank you very much for watching my channel. All the best. We will meet in the next video.